Let me guess. You've been in that awkward moment where you're trying to say something in English, but your mind is just blank, right? Yeah, it's like being at a party and forgetting everyone's names. Kinda awkward. But here's the good news. You're not alone. And today, we're going to fix that. Don't worry. Today I'm here to save you from that. We're going to master some of the most important English verbs in just a few easy steps. It's easier than trying to understand IKEA instructions, promise. So let's dive right in, shall we? Ever tried speaking English and suddenly you can't remember if you should say go or went? English verbs are tricky like that. But guess what? That's totally normal. And I'm about to make it a whole lot simpler for you. It's just like trying to connect to Wi-Fi at a music festival. Tricky at first, but once you find the right network, you're good to go. So let's make sure you're connected to the right verb network, starting with a quick tip. But before I reveal the solution, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenge with English verbs? Is it remembering the past tense or knowing which verb to use in the moment? Let me know in the comments and maybe we'll tackle some of those in future lessons. All right, let's break this down step by step. Here are 3 simple tips to master English verbs. And I'll even throw in some real-life examples for you to use right away. Number 1. Start with the basics. Focus on 10-15 common verbs, like go, eat, drink, make, take, see, give, can, get, say. These are simple but super useful. Number 2. Practice daily. Now use these verbs in different sentences every day. For example, I'm going to the gym later. She's eating dinner right now. They're drinking water during the meeting. Just slip these into your daily conversations. A few minutes of practice a day goes a long way. Number 3. Play with flashcards. Yeah, it sounds old school, but flashcards are still one of the best ways to memorize verbs. You'll be amazed how fast you remember these when you see them over and over again. Now, if you stick with these tips, you'll see results quickly. But we're just getting started. Here's the game changer. Instead of thinking about single verbs, start thinking in phrases. For example, instead of just memorizing, go, think of phrases like go to the store, go for a run, go on vacation. By learning the verb with the phrase, you'll sound more natural and fluent. It's like building a small toolbox of phrases you can pull out anytime. Trust me, it'll save you in conversations. And here's a little bonus for you. If you want to practice these verbs and phrases, I've got you covered. Click the link in the description to special practice exercise. Trust me, it'll help you master these verbs by tomorrow. Trust me, it'll save you from any blank moment the next time you're speaking English. And hey, if it helps you out, you owe me an extra comment. All right, here's what we covered. Focus on common verbs like go, eat, a make. Practice daily and remember to think in phrases like go to the store or make breakfast. You're now ready to conquer verbs like a pro. Seriously, you're going to be so good at this, your friends will start asking you for tips. Now it's your turn. Drop your favorite English verb in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe. Otherwise, who knows? Your internet might mysteriously slow down the next time you want to watch a video.